です。
Hi everyone, welcome to Talking Japan Culture Tour. Today we are in Kyoto. So now we are in Matsuo area, and from now on we are going to move forward to Arashiyama, which is one of the most famous spots for the fall leaves. Let's go! Let's go! Yay!
子供さんの守り仏ですのでね、お地蔵様。
はい。
ママ。
お墓ですね。This is also okay. Yeah. Did this close your hand together? Yes. Now we just seeing the garden of the Jizouyin. Now let's go to see more bamboos. Hi everyone, we just finished having a tour in the Jizouyin. This is also called Take-no-tera, the bamboo temple. Now we are going to the next stop. Let's go. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.